guys, welcome back to a video. I have something interesting. So I have a very vintage fire alarm box. So I'll tell you how it works. This thing's supposed to go over it, and you hit that, it breaks the glass, and it unlocks it, and you open it. But I just took this off. So I might be breaking the glass in a future video. But what you do is I'll show you why I have it. So I got one thing hooked up right here, and then I have another thing hooked up to this terminal right here. And so here's all the gears. So when you pull it, you just bring it down, you light it up, back it up, and if you can see when that gear moves, as you can see, it moves that switch, targeting that, making the siren go off every once in a while. So that is how that works. So yeah, it's really cool. And there's that stuff. Yeah, this was really hard to figure out how to wire. I was able to figure it out. And there's the battery. This thing, you might not think it so. This weighs like a good 10 pounds, or 5 to 10 pounds. And you can stop if you want, but yeah. And then the gears are moving right there. There, and yeah. And there's the stuff right there. That's that, and yeah. I don't really know what that stuff means, but yeah, and then after a while, it stops moving. And yeah. Okay, well, that's it for this video. So guys, thanks for buggers.